Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the auto captions on CapCut PC. So not only in mobile, auto captions can also be found in the PC version of CapCut. And here is what you need to do if you want to add the auto caption. So after you import your video, just go to text, and in here you'll see there is an auto captions feature. Just click on that and you need to choose the language that you want or in the video. And after that, if there's a subtitle in the video, you can also choose to clear the current subtitle, but if it's not, just click on create. And now CapCut will creating the auto captions. Okay, so here is the auto captions on my video.
Zane, if you don't mind, Zane right here, please. And Zane. Zane eyes left.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.